In this session, we'll see how we can change the WireMock ports. Like in the previous session, we saw by default, when we run the WireMock standalone jar, it by default runs on an HTTP port, which is 8080. But let's say for some reason we want to change this. So the simple thing we can add to this particular command is port. Okay, so double hyphen port, and let's say we want to run it on 9999. So we can simply provide a port number that we want to provide, and that's it. Now my service, which was previously running on localhost 8080, now it's running on localhost 9999, or whatever host that you are running on, like any cloud or on-prem host. Okay, now let's just check whether it's up and running. We know it's not running on 8080 anymore, so we won't get any response. But let's just ping it on 9999, and tada, we got this 200 okay and no mappings as of now. Also, one more thing you might have observed, like in this particular WireMock folder where I had kept this WireMock standalone, as soon as we ran this standalone in the previous session, it also created two more folders. One is for mappings and another is for keeping the files. Okay, so those are created automatically after we ran this standalone service. Okay, we are going to use these folders for certain things, which we will see it in the subsequent sessions. But just in case you're wondering, what are these folders, who created those? So those are created by WireMock, and we will be adding certain files to these two folders. Okay, I'll leave them for now. Let's go back to port. So just by providing this double hyphen port and 9999, we can switch the HTTP port.
Hey there, thanks for watching this video. Please do check out our full courses on coding and automation. Links are given in the description.
Now what about HTTPS? We can also do that. Let's stop this server, and to add an HTTPS port, all we need to do is simply say HTTPS port and then provide any port number. Let's say 2424. Now we can also have like HTTP and HTTPS both. It is fine. So currently what I'm saying is, hey WireMock, run HTTP on this port and HTTPS on this 2424. So simply when we run it again, now we see that it's running again, same for HTTP port, but it also added HTTPS on this particular port. Obviously we are running it on 2424, and also it has created a key store. This is the HTTPS key that we can use. But for now, what we will do is we'll simply disable this SSL certificate verification, so we don't have to worry about the key. So what I have simply done is I went to this particular thing, that is settings, then from here general settings, and over here there is something called as SSL certificate verification. I switched it off. Now what we'll do is simply change this HTTP to HTTPS, then localhost, and we know HTTPS is on 2424. So we simply changed it to that, and when we do a send, we are able to again connect it. 200 okay, currently no mappings, so it's kind of blank. Okay, so in this way we can change the HTTP or HTTPS ports of WireMock.
Hi, this video was part of full step-by-step course on REST API automation. If you want to enroll in the course, then please check out the links in the description.